The cranking time exceeded error is a diagnostic message that appears in Ford vehicles when the engine control module detects the starter motor has been engaged for too long. This safety feature activates when the starter motor runs for more than the predetermined safe operating time, typically 10 to 15 seconds. This error serves as a crucial safety feature, preventing damage to the starter motor, battery, and related electrical components from excessive cranking. The most common causes include a weak or failing battery, faulty starter motor or solenoid, fuel delivery issues, ignition system problems, and engine mechanical issues. Recent Ford technical service bulletins address this issue in specific models. TSB 23-2156 covers 2018 to 2023 F-150, Explorer, and Expedition models. TSB 24-2089 addresses 2020 to 2024 Escape and Bronco Sport models, often related to fuel pump control module software issues. The engine control module continuously monitors starter engagement time and triggers this error when safe operating limits are exceeded, protecting your vehicle's electrical system. When facing a cranking time exceeded error, start with basic troubleshooting steps. First, turn the ignition completely off and wait 30 seconds to allow the system to reset. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes. This allows the powertrain control module to fully reset and clear any temporary error codes. After waiting, reconnect the battery terminal and attempt to restart the vehicle. This basic reset resolves many temporary cranking time exceeded errors. For Ford vehicles from 2020 and newer, there's an additional PCM reset procedure. With the key in the run position but engine off, press and hold both the brake and accelerator pedals simultaneously. If basic resets don't work, systematic testing is required. Start with battery testing. A healthy battery should show 12.6 volts or higher at rest and maintain 9.6 volts under load. Next, test the starter system. Measure starter current draw, which typically ranges from 150 to 300 amps. Also check fuel pressure, which varies by model but typically ranges from 35 to 65 psi. Modern diagnostics use advanced tools including OBD2 scanners for manufacturer-specific codes, digital battery analyzers, real-time fuel pressure monitoring, and oscilloscopes for starter current analysis. If the problem persists after these steps, consult a professional technician. Complex issues may involve faulty sensors, software problems, or engine mechanical issues that require specialized diagnostic equipment and expertise.